Hello, traders. I promised to bring you midweek signals. Thank God we are here. The signals are here. I'm bringing them to you right away. But before that, I gave you some signals on Sunday. And those signals, I think they were about 5 signals. So far, so good. If you remember, and in case you took those signals, I gave you Euro JPY, Euro GBP, GBP AUD as a sell, AUD USD as a sell, and then NZD USD also a sell. So the signals were 5. And so far, so good. Let's go look at them before I give you the signals that I have for you today. Today, midweek. We still have today, tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday. So let's see what other signals are available. But like I'm saying, let's go to the chart quickly. This is the chart. And already, this is going to be one of my signals for the week or for the midweek. Euro GBP. I have already entered. If you can see that here, I've already entered a buy for Euro GBP. But before we get there, Euro JPY, I gave you a buy. Look at Euro JPY. Wow. Euro JPY, all the Euro pairs the JPY pairs have been very crazy. And if you look at the tool that we use for analysis, that tool is sometimes very, very powerful. Look at it. The market opened here with a small gap here. This was where the market opened with a gap. So I asked that Euro JPY we should buy. So if you bought Euro JPY from here, from the gap area here, which is here, okay, if in case you are not seeing it well, let me clear it. It's here. This is where the market opened with the gap. So your entry would have been here. This on 1 hour time frame, 1 hour, up to where the market is right now is Euro JPY, 449 pips. This is crazy. 449 pips, almost 450 at the moment, and it's still going. It's past 450. Yes, 454. Euro JPY. We saw two currencies to be very weak. If you remember, on Sunday, we saw JPY and GBP to be very weak, if you remember, and USD was the only strong pair. And look at JPY alone. Look at JPY pair, GBP, JPY. Look at it. The market opened here with a gap. This was where the market opened here at this level. So from the entry point, if you bought, because JPY is weak, look at it. 500 pips. 500. Between Monday, Tuesday, and today, Wednesday, 500 pips. GBP, JPY. Look at another JPY pair, USD JPY. I remember someone asked me, what of USD JPY? I think if the person took that trade, he should be smiling by now. The market opened somewhere here. Let me show you where it opened. This is it. This is where it opened here. This is where the market opened for the week. So looking at where the market opened for USD JPY and looking at where the market is currently, look at here. Straight to almost 480 pips. 480 pips. JPY pairs, this is serious. AUD JPY, look at it. Look at CAD JPY, look at it. All the pairs for JPY are crazy. But, and then Chef JPY, look at it. Wow. But let's focus on the signals I gave. So the first one was Euro JPY, which has made over 400 pips. So it's a total win. The next one is Euro GBP, currently in the move. And this is also my signal for the midweek. This trade has just begun its movement. Although the market opened and it came a bit against us, if you didn't see this to enter, I think it is time to do that. I want to see where the market opened. It's opened somewhere here. And then came down against us about 50 pips. And now it is back in profit and it is going. So Euro GBP is still my signal for this midweek. So if you haven't entered it, please do take a buy on Euro GBP. Let's look at the next signal I gave, which was GBP AUD. I think this is the only pair we lost. This one. GBP JPY is a loss because although the trade is coming back down, but it's a loss for us. So if you look at where the market opened, I'm trying to look at where the market opened. Okay, it opened somewhere here, right? Yes. And then it went against us over 180 pips. So our stop loss was 100. So this one is a loss. But GBP AUD is currently coming back down. But like I said, this one is a loss. What of AUD USD? This is AUD USD, which is almost a win. It's a win, I think. It's a win, 86 pips. Almost getting to TP. Our TP is 100 pips, so we are in profit. But we are yet to hit our TP of 100 pips. Although it went against us for about 47 pips and came back in our favor for 86 pips. So we are still in a win, which is in profit, 86 pips. And then NZD USD2, also in profit. I'm not sure it has also hitting the target yet. So this is the entry. Down to this place is also about 86 pips. And then it went against us about 45 pips. So these two trades are still in profit, okay? So our 5 signals is only 1 loss. The remaining 4 are all in profit. This is what we do when it comes to signals on this channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do. So like I said, this trade here is one of my signals, which is Euro GBP. I want to say it's a signal we should all go for. Why am I saying that? Let me take you to the tool we normally use. You all know the tool. This is the tool that we use. On this tool, we are on the weekly. And if you look at the weekly, you will see that currently on the weekly, the second most strongest apart from USD is Euro. You see that? And the second most weakest apart from JPY is GBP. So Euro GBP is not bad at all to go for a buy. So that is why I am giving a buy for Euro GBP. Now you understand. Again, if you go on the 1 hour, the daily, the same thing is happening. This is on the daily. This one, I won't go on the monthly because we are looking at the midweek. So I won't go on the monthly. Now, the second most strongest pair is Euro. And then the second most weaker pair is GBP here. So on the daily is the same thing. And that is why I am asking that we should go for a buy for Euro GBP. So now you understand why I am saying we should go for Euro GBP. Now, there's also going to be a news. Let me go to the calendar and show you. There's going to be a news item today on CAD. Interest rate decision on CAD. I don't know if traders, you have seen that. Today is Wednesday. Let's look at today. Interest rate decision. So it's almost time. It's almost time. Look at it here. Interest rate decision is my time, 2 p.m. And it is left with 1 minute for the news to be out. 1 minute for the news to be out. It's almost out. I wish next time I will do a live video so that at least a YouTube live so that you can follow me at once, because I am now recording this and then uploading it on the channel, which might delay. So I think the next video, next week, midweek, I'll be doing maybe a live video so that it will be live, so that whatever I'm analyzing, you'll be able to catch it immediately. So this news is almost out. Let's all wait and see the outcome of the news, so that will also help me to give you the next signal. Because apart from Euro GBP, I want to give you another signal, but it will depend on the outcome of this news. I want to give you a Euro signal. CAD signal. I want to give you CAD signal. It is 2 o'clock exactly. Let's see the outcome of the news. Let's see, it's loading. Okay, the news is positive. It's positive. We are expecting 3.25 and it actually came 3.25. It didn't come more than that. So it's not too good, but it is good. So I'm expecting, if for nothing at all, I'm expecting CAD. Let me see CAD. I'm expecting CAD to be Euro CAD to be very strong. Yes, Euro CAD to be so strong. So let's buy Euro CAD in addition. Let me just check. Let me just check again and be sure. Euro CAD. I want to check it on my phone. Euro CAD. Okay. CAD is also strong at the moment. It's also very strong at the moment. So Euro CAD, we may have to wait because the news came as expected. It came as expected. So if I take you to the chart right now, let's see what is happening on the chart right now with regards to Euro CAD. Okay. Don't be in a hurry to leave. Euro CAD. Euro CAD. Euro CAD. Look at it. Let's see what is happening with Euro CAD. Okay. The market is not really reacting at the moment, but Euro CAD is still on the move for a buy. Still on the move for it. It's actually a buy for me, but the news is what is making me think otherwise. But Euro CAD is a buy for me. Yes, that is my decision actually. Euro CAD, that's my decision. A buy. So let me add one buy. Okay, and see what will be the outcome. All right. I want to give you the TP of 100 pips. It's 134. Let me reduce the TP to 108, 200. So this is my TP, Euro CAD. So let's add Euro CAD. Already, this trade is moving in profit. It's almost in profit. Yes, it is in profit now, but it's still very young. Let me upload this video quickly for you so that you can watch it and do. But I promise that I'm going to set up the YouTube live and see how it will be so that possibly my midweek signals will be live so that you can catch up with me on time. All right. Thank you for watching. And please make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because I'm building up things. I'm bringing you new things that I'm sure you will love to see and will love to hear. So please subscribe and wait for more updates on this channel.